Right, before I go any further with this, it's really difficult to get a place to record, so I'm doing my level best at the minute. Fact of the matter is, there's more videos coming up and they're going to keep coming up. Also, documents, emails, evidence, it's all getting exposed on my website. That will be listed as and when I'm doing it. I'm in the process, all of it's going to be put out there now, pure exposure. Salmond in Scotland, the evil, corrupt Scottish injustice system, where they absolutely tortured me. This is no joke, people, this is serious, real serious. I want the people the police who did it, and the security staff and the medical staff in the police station involved, I want them jailed where they belong. I want them in prison. But not only them, the flying monkeys, police flying monkeys, all the enablers, I want them jailed as well. The accusers in Glasgow, they assaulted and attacked me. This is what these phone calls are relating to. This is exposed and then I can't get access to data. We're nearly 3 years down the line since Glasgow. Since they had me they set me up, they entirely set me up. I'd been a few hours out of a British court, English court, right? Literally, I think it was the Wednesday, I'd had no disclosure in the British court. They're exactly the same, stinking corrupt. And I will front them out and I will expose them for the rest of my days until I get justice. Because I had this from when I was a little kid. Put in the care system, no, they kicked the shit out of us and they tortured us. They refused us having clothes. The police were involved. Social services. Same with Torquay. When the police were harassing me, following me, forcing me homeless, economically raping me, getting to the point of I nearly starved to death, as you can see in my videos. That's what they did to me. Torbay Council, so deeply involved in this. Local MP, even, what's her name? The health minister. I put it forward to her, basically fronting them out, saying this is not a flying saucer, this is social services, this is social care. Who I said in a video I was going to bring someone in. That's who I brought in, because I didn't know who else to turn to, because the police were totally corrupt, totally tortured me. They tortured me. Can you imagine the trauma in my head that I'm having to deal with? Yeah, 5 months. It'd been 5 months since Torquay Police had full on, absolutely tortured me, gang chanced at me naked. Sergeant was the instigator, without question. They won't give me none of these. Torbay Council, Social Services, Police Scotland, Torquay Police. No police complaints, not allowed. No reporting crimes, not allowed. Because they're covering up that they sexually abused and tortured me, sexually degraded me. They're a gang of little perverts and they need to go to Broadmoor. Simple as that. I will not stop. I will not stop exposing them for what they did to me. I will not stop. No man gets me naked and gets away with it. Puts a hand on me. No man. Not some dirty little filthy cop either. Fact. No man puts his hand on me ever. So since that's already been done, yeah, I was paralysed. I was paralysed in September. And then I was near poisoned to death. This is serious shit. I was medically neglected and I was medically abused. Fact. So I'm making the most of having survived, let's say. I'm gonna come for them. I am coming for them endlessly. I will not stop. If I have to crawl over to Geneva and bang down the doors of human rights, that's exactly what I'll do. Because getting through, they tried, what they tried to do. In September, I've got all the evidence, right? All the evidence is going out there. That my landlady, Sharon Cox, manager of Torquay Football Club, best friend with the police, Russell Muscara partner, ex-football manager, ex-footballer, deeply in on all of this. They've just entered my home back in Torquay. Torquay Police emailed me last week telling me that they trespassed into my accommodation, took all of my things, stole all of my things, everything I own, put it in storage illegally, trespass, illegal eviction, because they put it on they tried to basically claiming to be victims, this last case, kangaroo trial, wasn't it? They had no rights to a fair trial, no human rights, no legal rights, since I was a little kid. Since I was a little kid, I'm not having it. I'm just not having it. So yeah, they've lawlessly stolen all my goods and holding it to ransom. Sharon Cox, Russell Musker, Torquay Police. So I'll be working, I'm working every single day, trying, fighting to get justice, fighting to be heard, fighting to be believed. I spent nearly 30 years doing that, or well, 20, from the age of 10, screaming, you can't do this to us, do torturing kids. British state. So, having been on the floor in a cell in Scotland, and the solicitors corrupt to the core, lying in court saying they deleted CCTV evidence when they didn't, and then they've used it against me to falsely convict me. I'm going to expose all the evidence I've got. Fuck yous all. Fuck yous all. Because I tell you what the cops, Torquay Police said with Sharon Musker, the little criminal witch that she is, yeah, because I've got all kinds of evidence on her too, and I'm going to happily share it. I give it a section 6 on the human rights, to not be alarmed, harassed or distressed, months ago, because while I've been running to save my own life, that fucking bitch has been harassing me and my family to death. So that's what I told her, human rights, free of harassment. No, Torquay Police now are telling me that they've gone in and lawlessly done what they've done to my possessions in my flat, and basically robbed me. And I will be arrested for harassment. Get it right fucking up, yeah. How about that? And I mean it. Get it right fucking up, yeah. Had enough. I don't give a fuck, basically. I swear out of anxiety, and I fucking swear I'm going to get justice. And if that means, right, because this is the system and you never get justice with the system, I learned from being a little child when they beat and tortured me every single day. Every single day. 3.5 years. And it took all them years to ever be even listened to, which is what I'm going through right now. Murder. Real murder. No wonder they want me silenced, they want me dead. And I'm afraid they failed. They failed. I'm coming fucking after you now, you lying, dirty filth. All yous. All yous. And all the corrupt courts, Torbay Council, all the gang abuse, all the hidden investigations. Well, it's not going to be very hidden if I put all the allegations and your responses on my website, is it? That's not going to be hidden, is it? Everyone's going to know what you did. Okay? In on it with the police. Yeah. So, I am angry. I'm bitterly angry. So the next couple of videos exposing that I've been banned totally from reporting crimes, which has led to me just being desperate because someone's trying to kill me with a vehicle and then crying victim. That's what's happened. Same with Glasgow, I was pure attacked. This time I was pure attacked. And I'm the one getting this lengthy criminal record as though I fucking done something wrong. No, and it's gonna have to be proven, isn't it? So this is the next 2 videos of the dirty filth police, yeah? And that's what they are. Dirty filth, women abusing, sexual perverts. Police, yeah, that's what they are. So I'm going to be revealing more phone calls. I mean, I've got loads and loads, but I need to start getting now onto my website, all on Torbay Council, all on the access to data, the GDPR, all of it. I just need to keep loading and loading and loading. I mean, I'm over in Malaga where I ran to save my own life. I did, definitely. See my Instagram, see the states I was in, it was close to death, so close. And I survived. Again, that's my life story. I survive every single time. This time no different. But this time I am fucking coming back just so much more vengeful. I want so much more to get justice than ever before. And I'm gonna. Police abuse and powers, crime board, all of you people get behind me, because I'm telling you now, I can fucking destroy every one of them bastards with my truth. And I'm gonna. Thank you.